Good morning to all of you. So today's we are going to discussing upon the type of chemical reactions. So there are so many chemical reactions, but mainly there are five main types of chemical reactions. So what are the chemical reactions? So there are five type of chemical reactions. First one is the substitution reaction. Second one is the addition reaction. Third one is the elimination reaction. Fourth one is the rearrangement reaction. And lastly, that is the molecular reactions. So what are these reactions? So what happen? First we will discussing what is substitution reaction. So what is substitution reaction? So substitution reaction is that reaction in which one atom or group are displaced by the another group or atom in the reaction, that is called as the substitution reactions. So again there are substitution reaction, it can be classified according to reactions. So next, second one reaction, that is the addition reaction. So what is the addition reaction? Addition reaction is the only simple reaction, simple addition. So what happen in this reaction? There is simply addition of atom or group to the molecule in the reactions. Then there will be formation of product. This reaction is called as addition reaction. So I will give one example of this addition reaction. So to the ethylene molecule, when addition of HBr, then there will be formation of methyl bromide. So this is the simply addition reaction. So what happen in this reaction? In this reaction, simply a hydrogen molecule and Br molecule that will be added to the ethylene molecule, and there will be formation of methyl bromide molecule. So this is the addition reaction. So third one reaction, that is the elimination reaction. So what is elimination reaction? Elimination reaction is the simple reaction, that is the reverse reaction of addition reaction. So what happened in elimination reaction? In elimination reaction, there is elimination of the atom or group that is adjacent to each other, that will be eliminated from the molecule, and then there will be formation of product molecule. So this is the elimination reaction. So simply when methyl bromide molecule, there is elimination of HBr, then there will be formation of ethylene plus HBr. So this is the one of the reaction of elimination. Okay, then now we will go to the discussing rearrangement reaction. So what is the rearrangement reaction? Rearrangement means simply rearranging of atom or groups in the molecule, same molecule in the reaction. So what happen? There is simply shifting of atom or group in the reaction molecule, that is called as rearrangement reactions. So lastly and final reaction, that is molecular reaction. So what happen in molecular reaction? So molecular reaction, there are several type of the molecular reactions. So we will discussing that a molecular reaction in our next session. So now thank you.